Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Indian University School, Day Shift. Now I am going to conduct your English language class for the students of class 1, and our today's topic is from your Enjoying Grammar book, lesson 4, exercise 1, 2 and 3, discussion. You have homework number 3. Dear students, this is lesson 4. It's about special names. Okay. So, dear students, first of all, you need to know what special names is. In your book, you can see that here there is a picture about, and written on that picture, that's written that my parrot's name is Mitu, my name is Rohul, my dog's name is Joy, we live in Pune, my birthday is in January, my sister's birthday is in March. This is all these words which are in red ink. Mitu, Rohul, Joy, Pune, January, March, Savita's school, Sonia, Raj, Preeti. All these are special names. Why they are special names? Because by that names we can understand something special. That is called special names. That means by the name of city means it indicates all the cities, but when we understand or when it's about Dhaka, on that time it would be only a special city. That's called a special name. Dear students, if you follow the exercise 1, then this row, city, doll, month, girl, man, all these are common nouns because they do not indicate anything special. City, all the cities, doll, any doll, month, any month of 12, girl, it may be any girl, like you, man, maybe any man, like me. But in this case, Mr. Roshan, special man, Sushan, single girl or special girl, Barbie, special doll, Mumbai, special city, May, special name. This is called, these words are special names. Okay, what, dear students? Now let's try to solve exercise number 1. Dear students, I am telling you again, before solving all this, you have to clearly understand what special name is. Okay. Match the naming words with their special names. Number 1, city will match with Mumbai, doll will match with Barbie, month match with May, girl match with Sushan, man match with Dr. Roshan. Dear students, to match it doesn't matter, but it is quite difficulties to you how to write it. Okay. Imagine that it's exercise 1, so you will write it like this. First of all, write answer to the question number. Imagine that it's 1. Okay. After writing this, you will have to write this row's sub number. It's number 1. So write 1 plus. Then 1 will match with D. 1 plus D, bracket close, then equals 1 was city and D was Mumbai. City plus Mumbai. Then number 2, doll. Doll will match with C, Barbie. So 2 plus C equals doll plus. Dear students, I hope you all would be able to write all this like this formation. Okay. Now exercise number 2. Circle the special names in these sentences. That means we have to circle the special names. Number 1, December is a special name. The last month of this year is December. The girl standing near the door is Sarita. Here Sarita is a special. Number 3, my cat's name is Buski. Buski is special name. My uncle has a Maruti. This Maruti is special. Number 5, my uncle lives in Chennai. Here Chennai is special. Exercise number 3, circle the special names. You have to circle. Number 1 is done, Pepsi. Then number 2, Cadbury, your favorite chocolate. Then camel color pencil, camel. Then Tom and Jerry, here Tom and Jerry, your favorite cartoon. Here Amul butter, it's special name, so circle it. Then Pearl biscuit, Pearl would be circle. Then Lay's potato chips, your favorite chips, so Lay's would be circle. Dear students, you have homework number 3, it's about exercise number 1. Okay, this one is your homework number 3. Dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all got understood today's class. It's very much easy. Just I hope you will enjoy it. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.